Objects and shapes have color settings at various locations in properties. The solid type is usually used as color settings. It's for showing a plain color. You can select two types ID and RGB by clicking the value property. In the ID palette, you can select typical 10 kinds of colors and their gradation colors. In the RGB palette, you can select a color trend from the top. Next, it's hue with the slider. And lastly, it's color depth. To get the exact color you need, directly enter values in the RGB field. It's useful for corporate color settings. When a lamp object is placed on a screen, the off color is white and the on color is blue by default. Let's change the colors. Select an object and then select off from the shape. Basic tab. Click the triangle icon next to the fill value property to select a color on the ID palette. Select green. And the border color to black. In the same way, set the on color to orange. And the border color to black. Next, set the text color at the Text tab. Open the Off property. And set the color to white. In the same way, open the On property. And set the text to white. Now you can show the lamp in green when the bit is off, and in orange when on.